Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 DNS for privacy. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 DNS for enhanced privacy, begin by opening your device settings. For Windows users, click on the Start menu and select Settings. Navigate to Network and Internet to find your network settings. Next, click on Change Adapter Options. Right-click on your active network connection and select Properties. In the Properties window, highlight Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. In the second field, enter 1.0.0.1. Now click OK to save your changes. For Mac users, click on the Apple menu and select System Preferences. Choose Network to configure your network settings. Select your active network connection from the left sidebar. Click on Advanced and navigate to the DNS tab. Remove any existing DNS servers by selecting them and clicking the minus button. Click the plus button to add new DNS servers. Enter 1.1.1.1, then click the plus button again to add another DNS server. Enter 1.0.0.1. Click OK, then apply to save your settings. For mobile devices, begin by opening the Settings app. On iOS, select Wi-Fi, then tap on the information icon next to your connected network. Scroll down and tap on Configure DNS. Choose Manual and remove any existing DNS servers. Add 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1 to the list and tap Save. On Android, go to Settings and select Network and Internet. Tap on Wi-Fi, then long press your connected network. Choose Modify Network, then select Advanced Options. Change IP settings to static. Scroll down to find DNS1 and enter 1.1.1.1. In DNS2, enter 1.0.0.1. Save the changes by tapping Save or Apply. After configuring your device, it's advisable to restart it for the changes to take effect. To verify your setup, visit a DNS leak test website. Running a test will confirm that your DNS queries are routed through Cloudflare's servers. Now you're all set up to enjoy enhanced privacy with Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 DNS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security email. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.